Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I am here to talk to you based on my understanding about analytics. Here are the three types of analytics: the descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. The big data revolution has given birth to different kinds, types, and stages of data analysis. Boardrooms across companies are buzzing around with data analytics, offering enterprise-wide solutions for business success. However, what do this really mean to businesses? The key to companies successfully using big data is by gaining the right information which delivers knowledge that gives businesses the power to gain a competitive edge. The main goal of big data analytics is to help organizations make smarter decisions for better business outcomes. What is descriptive analytics? 90% of organizations today use descriptive analytics, which is the most basic form of analytics. The simplest way to define descriptive analytics is that it answers the question, what has happened? This type of analytics analyzes the data coming in real time and historical data for insights on how to approach the future. The objective of descriptive analytics is to find out the reasons behind previous success or failure in the past. The past here refers to any particular time in which an event had occurred, and this could be a month ago or even just a minute ago. The vast majority of big data analytics used by organizations fall into the category of descriptive analytics. The best example to explain descriptive analytics are the results that a business gets from the web server through Google Analytics tools. The outcomes help understand what actually happened in the past and validate if a promotional campaign was successful or not based on basic parameters like page views. What is predictive analytics? The subsequent step in data reduction is predictive analytics. Analyzing past data patterns and trends can accurately inform a business about what could happen in the future. This helps in setting realistic goals for the business, effective planning, and restraining expectations. Predictive analytics is used by businesses to study the data and ogle into the crystal ball to find answers to the question, what could happen in the future, based on previous trends and patterns. Predictive analytics helps predict the likelihood of a future outcome by using various statistical and machine learning algorithms, but the accuracy of predictions is not 100%, as it is based on probabilities. To make predictions, algorithms take data and fill in the missing data with best possible guesses. This data is pulled with historical data present in the CRM systems, POS systems, ERP, and HR systems to look for data patterns and identify relationships amongst various variables in the dataset. Organizations should capitalize on hiring a group of data scientists in 2016. Can develop statistical and machine learning algorithms to leverage predictive analytics and design an effective business strategy. What is prescriptive analytics? Big data might not be a reliable crystal ball for predicting the exact winning lottery numbers, but it definitely can highlight the problems and help a business understand why those problems occurred. Businesses can use the data back and data found factors to create prescriptions for the business problems that leads to realizations and observations. Prescriptive analytics is the next step of predictive analytics that adds the spice of manipulating the future. Prescriptive analytics advises on possible outcomes and results in actions that are likely to maximize key business metrics. It basically uses simulation and optimization to ask what should a business do. Prescriptive analytics is the combination of data and various business rules. The data for prescriptive analytics can be both internal within the organization and external, like social media data. Business rules are preferences, best practices, boundaries, and other constraints. Mathematical models include natural language processing, machine learning, statistics, operations research. Prescriptive analytics are comparatively complex in nature, and many companies are not yet using them in day-to-day business activities as it becomes difficult to manage. Prescriptive analytics, if implemented properly, can have a major impact on business growth. Large-scale organizations use prescriptive analytics for scheduling the inventory in the supply chain, optimizing production to optimize customer experiences.